Welcome to Treasure Test Computer. Yeah, Treasure Test Computer. We are into laptop repairs, laptop sales. You can see laptops repairs, sales of laptops accessories, computer repairs, and etc. You can see we fix laptop, fix desktop. You can see desktop, laptop. We fix it. That's what we do here at Treasure Computer Techs. So we fix laptop, any kind of laptop. We sell screen too. Screen, keyboard. These are screens. These are screens. Then keyboard. We sell keyboard. Keyboards of all type. Batteries. So contact us today on 080 8247 0876.